Huge news on the silver and gold markets this morning. Oil has crashed and silver and gold are on their way back up. What is going on? Let's talk about that on this morning's gold and silver updates. Let's get started. Good morning, everybody. Happy hump day. We made it to hump day. Happy coffee, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Silver and gold are smashing it right now. The oil prices have plummeted. The dollar is down. All of the right ingredients are there for silver and gold to continue to go up. Let's talk about this morning on what is going on over in the Straits. But before we get started, everybody, allergies in full force, ADHD in full force, 3:30 a.m. wake up call once again, everybody. Thank you, everyone, for watching the channel. I really appreciate your support. If you're a new viewer, new subscriber, a person that just clicked on this video, I want to tell you thank you. I appreciate you because I'm just the quarterback. You're the team. And without you, we are nothing. If you don't watch these videos all the way through, the algorithm doesn't pick up on it. Once again, I'm going to talk about this all the time, how important it is. If we want this channel to continue to be successful, we're almost at 1.2 million views, everybody. And on this channel, on our subscriber count, getting ready to do a giveaway on a, oh goodness gracious, on a copper round and an SSC's copper round. And right now on our channel, we are at 9,342 subscribers. Congratulations, everybody. We're getting there. 9,500, I'm going to do that giveaway on a copper, big 5-ounce copper round. Well, let me show it to you. There we go. We got a nice, beautiful 5-ounce copper round, everybody. Really cool. Oh, and we dropped it. Okay. Well, that's what happens at 4:30 in the morning and you're watching SSC because I do things like that. But luckily, we're in a protected case and she didn't hit very hard. So very cool copper 5-ounce round. And then you're also going to be getting a 1-ounce silver stack cracker round at 9,500 subscribers, guys. And at 10,000, and we're getting there fast, guys. Somebody's going to get this beautiful special edition Goldback. It is, I believe, number 255 of, 255 of, looks like 250,000, but they only made 2,500 of these, everybody. So it's a colorized Goldback. It's a big dollar Goldback. It's not cheap. So we hit 10,000 subscribers. Some lucky winner's going to get this. So we appreciate everybody watching all over the world, all over the United States. California is still in the lead right now. Then we got Texas, Florida, and New York. So, hey, we appreciate you all watching. Let's talk about some gold and silver right now. Things are rocketing back up once again. Monday and Tuesday were kind of tough, but it's good for silver. It's good for gold. It's great for pickups, right? I bought some yesterday, and we're going to buy some this weekend again. We got a couple of really big Goldbacks we're actually buying on maybe Sunday this weekend. So we're buying that Oklahoma 100 and an Oklahoma 50, and then we'll complete our Oklahoma collection of Goldbacks, everybody. And that will be it for a while on Goldbacks, but we'll continue to buy a few at a time. But we have a pretty good, substantial amount of Goldbacks in our collection now. And the hundreds are discontinued, so remember that. So thank you, Goldback, for providing us with that giveaway. Everybody, let's get to gold. We're at almost $4,700. Happy coffee gold. Woo! $46.99 on gold, everybody. $46.99. That is awesome. And silver is rocketed up $4 an ounce overnight to $76.74. We're 4:30 in the morning. That can change, right? Oh, and don't forget, everybody, I'm going to show some world coins this morning, maybe a pickup, maybe not a pickup, but one of my things I have in my collection. And just a little news, I'm going to be doing a huge video. I'm pulling out my massive, or what I consider massive, collection of graded coins, numismatic coins, world coins. We're pulling them all out Saturday. We're filming them. It's going to take up a lot of room. It's going to take up 30 or 35-minute video to do this. And then we will be posting that on Tuesday. So get ready for that, everybody. 15 months of stacking since I started stacking silver, since I started stacking gold, mostly silver, everybody. 15 months, okay? So I got started late, but I went all in. I didn't go in 1 ounce at a time. But if that's what you're doing, that's okay. One at a time, guys. The slow turtle wins the race every time. So if I wouldn't have sold off a few ounces of silver, I'd be close to my 1,000-ounce mark right now. But we'll talk about that later. And let's get on. Silver still at $76.77, almost $77 an ounce. Platinum's up $61. It's at $2,016 this morning. Excuse me for my sniffles. Those allergies are in full force. We had a cold front come through. You know, it never ends. For when you get, past 60, you're just, I don't feel 60 mentally, but I sure feel it physically. Oh gosh, 15.17 on palladium. It's up $44 an ounce. And guess what? Rhodium changed. Rhodium, everybody. Rhodium's down to $9,500. It went down. What's up with that? Golly, what is going on? What has happened overnight? We're going to talk about that caused the silver, the gold, the platinum, palladium, everything. All the metals have gone up. Happy coffee. I hope you all have been buying on this dip. And really, anything under $80 right now on the spot price is still a good time, because there's some massive news coming out on silver and gold that I've been reading about, I've been listening to, and I think they're really close to this. And we'll talk about that in a second, if I can remember. So welcome to the channel. If you're a new subscriber, new viewer, this is what you get. Just a normal guy in a living room doing videos, non-edited, as you will see. So rhodium at $75. What is Hong Kong? What's Mumbai? It's going to be interesting. Okay, so Hong Kong's at 4,628 on gold and silver, 74.72 and 46.50. Mumbai on gold, $4,650 on gold and 75.67 on silver. So a little bit lower than we are. We are rocketing right now on Kitco. It is really cranking, everybody. Let's look at the gold to silver ratio, everybody. If you're new to stacking, the gold to silver ratio is the amount of silver it takes to get 1 ounce of gold, everyone. So I'm a silver guy. I'm a big bettor. I'm a big risk taker in silver. And that's why I stack a lot more silver than gold. I love gold. Don't get me wrong. Gold is great. Gold is king, but silver right now is king when it comes to profit margins, okay? Silver is number one. I'm not a financial advisor, but silver has outperformed financially profit margins way higher than gold has. So we're at 61.18. So the silver to gold ratio is dropping. Silver is outperforming gold right now. And that's kind of what we're expecting to happen over the next several months, everybody. They are talking some big numbers on silver this year by July. As I've been predicting $100 an ounce by July, they're predicting much bigger numbers later on in the year and in July. So 61 to 1, guys. Wow, it's really cranking it. And we're right now on silver. We're still doing fantastic. What is it? It is, yeah, it's 76.90 right now. So it continues to go up. It'll change throughout the morning, throughout the day. You know, it's just 4:30 in the morning when I do these videos. So let's move on to our base metals. Everybody, everything's going up. Copper's up. Copper's up to 5.95. Nickel's at 8.77. It's actually down about a penny, but still doing fantastic. Copper and silver, guys. Copper and silver. They're the big ones, I think. Silver's a big one. Copper's a big one. They're both listed as strategic metals. And I'm just telling you, if you're not into the copper game right now and silver game, I would suggest that you get into it. You make your own decisions. You don't have to, but I'm just saying the copper and the silver game, a lot of people, old stackers, old schoolers have always said, gold, 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 get gold, nothing but gold. Even when they said silver was junk and don't get into silver. And look at us now, right now. Well, my opinion, and like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, everybody, but I'm saying copper and silver. Copper and silver is the future and will continue to be the future. And gold is also the future for a hedge against inflation, just like silver. And I think copper is going to change. I think copper, they're going to classify it differently in the future. And I think it will be classified and priced in ounces and in the industrial sector in pounds. So that's just my thoughts on it. And we'll move on to Goldbacks, everybody. Goldbacks yesterday, when gold was down, they dropped to $9.14 exchange rate. And remember, they're 24 karat gold. They follow the gold market. Exchange rate is the exchange rate of a one Goldback. So if you have a 5, let's say just multiply it 9 times 5. If you want to buy a 5 Goldback, let's figure 9 times 5. So it's very, very simple. And more companies are coming online, more and more states. We got new states. California's coming online. They're coming out with Goldbacks really, really soon. We'll be talking about that possibly Friday. Let's move on to our Shanghai and India markets right now. Shanghai spot is at 85.82 right now. And India's spot is at 79.03. As we continue to look at charts on gold and silver, I still see silver going up. I still see the gradual incline. But we have some experts. We've read a lot of things. We've even listened to some videos on silver rocketing by July. And these aren't your blow it up channel, blow up silver and gold and $5,000 an ounce silver and all that. These are guys that are market analysis guys, and they watch these markets and they see the deficits in silver, everybody. And right now, the deficits are huge in silver. The industrial uses are still huge in silver. And so it's going to continue to rocket. Some are saying, everybody, by July, and there's special reasons in July, that silver will rocket to $200 an ounce. Could go to 200, could go to 300, could go even higher than that, July of 2026. Now, I wouldn't bet my reputation on that one, everybody, but if they're right, it's better to be prepared and hold your silver, right? So that's what we do. We're going to be buying hopefully quite a bit more this weekend. And I'm kind of hoping silver will stay down below 80 so I can buy more. But, really, if it fluctuates $5, it's not going to kill me. If you just go out and buy a couple ounces, it might cost you an extra $10 per ounce. So Uh, let's move on to oil, guys. Oil has really, not oil, but our US dollar. Let's do our US dollar, then we'll do our oil. US dollar is down to 97.86, everybody. There's another contributing factor to what is going on in today's prices, everyone. 97.86. So anything under 100, if it's 99, 98, high 98s, it tends to drive the silver price up. And then we have dropped considerably on the USD, the US dollar index. Oil, everybody right now is dropped considerably. We're down to 95.35. Let me refresh this real quick and see what it says. 95.35 on oil per barrel, everyone. And it was it's been hitting 102, 3, 4, $5 a barrel, and here we go. But we had some news overnight, late last night, that the talks are proceeding with Iran and the U.S., and the United States has halted currently escorting ships. So the tensions are easing up just a little bit. Let's hope we can get this thing resolved quickly, and it will change the prices on our silver and gold, I think, dramatically. And I'm big on 100 by July, everybody. I'm skeptical about $200 to $300 an ounce by July, but some of the big boys are playing the markets. They say this is going to happen. So we're going to watch it closely the next few months and see what happens. US dollar, oil, easing tensions. Here we go. It's going up, guys. We're at 76.91 right now. It's going up a little bit slower, but things are doing good. Gold has rolled over to $4,700 once again. So here we go. Happy coffee, everybody. Did you hear the cat in the background? I don't see how you couldn't. She's up to whining. Someday I'm going to show you my animals, just for giggles, So shout out to everybody all over the United States. Thank you for watching the channel, and Europe, everybody. Hang in there. UK, I don't know that. Are you up yet? Yes, UK. We'll do UK, and then we're going to check out some coins, everybody. UK 46.99 on gold and 76.88 on silver. UK's right there with us, so everybody's cranking this morning. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Watch these videos through, everybody, and comment on, hey, we are a family on this channel, so everybody talk to each other. Reply to comments. I'll get to you just as soon as I can. Sometimes I can't get to all the comments. I have a normal job I have to do, and I really need to concentrate on that, everybody. So let's check out some coins. So let's check out some cool stuff real quick, and then we'll show you one of my collection. These are the world coins that we have, everybody. We've shown some of these, and this is another one. This is another 1960 Vietnam. I just pull these out, and I don't really pick and choose. I just grab them and say, hey, let's check them out. So we got a 1960. Again, I showed one of these South Vietnamese dong, 1961 dong, everybody. Pretty cool world coin. And then, golly, I just keep getting the same ones over and over. They had a lot of these, everyone. So we had a 62 New Zealand. We showed this one also. And this is another one. So, but a very, very cool coin. And by the way, when we do our massive coin reveal, we're going to be showing all of these along with our collectible silver, our slabs and everything, posting on Tuesday of next week. Should take up a lot of room, and it might take a little bit of time. Look at this, a Greece 2009, guys. Looks like that's an Olympic deal, 500. I can't understand how to pronounce that. But a Summer Olympic coin, very, very cool. It looks like 2004. Let's see if we can flip it over and find out for sure. But yes, 2004-ish. But nevertheless, that is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful coin, everyone. I absolutely love this. So very, very cool coin. Our next one, Somalia, is a 2001 Somalia, 25 shillings. We've had some Somalia coins before in different denominations, and so that's a cool coin also. Features them, I guess, playing soccer. So cool world coin, historical coin. And everybody, let's show you one of my little sets that we have. It is a 2008 proof set, silver proof set, everybody. Now, you got to be careful when you buy this late stuff. And, you know, a lot of people think they're going to be buying silver proof sets, and they're not. They're buying just your regular clad proof quarters, dimes, nickels, whatever it may be. But make sure you get the silver proof sets. Now, you collect what you want. It's all about having fun. My father-in-law collected a lot of stuff that wasn't silver. But what a beautiful S-Mint 50 stake quarter silver proof set, guys. So we have quite a bit of these, and we're going to be showing this stuff. We're going to be showing this stuff on Tuesday in a big coin reveal. We're not bringing out our heavy stack stuff. We're just not going to do that. It's a lot of work, everybody, to go unpack it, get it, bring it over, and set it up. So, but a beautiful, beautiful U.S. Mint set. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love this kind of stuff, guys. These are bringing pretty decent money. So we love to show our coins. So let's take one final look at our silver prices, everybody. I hope you like the coins, and we're going to reveal all of them, almost all of them, on Tuesday. So stay tuned for that one. So we're back at it at 4,698 on gold and 76.94 on silver. So it's going to be a fantastic hump day, everybody. God, please bless our viewers, the viewers that are in need of blessings before me. Lord, bless them. Heavenly Father, let us concentrate on our 80% and not the 20% that we seek, everybody. You have a blessed day, everybody. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States of America, guys. God bless you. Have a good one.